Welcome to Cloudtheapp eQMS, your quality management solution. Today we introduce the revolutionary Advanced Inspections module, your gateway to precision, efficiency, and compliance in quality control. Experience ANSI ASQ Z1.4 sampling plans brought to life with automated decision-making. Say goodbye to manual batch acceptance and rejection assessments. Effortlessly create multi-checklist inspection templates with dynamic measurement-based parameters. Adapt to your unique needs, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Inspect with ease. Load inspections from templates and watch as the system auto-calculates results based on entered measurements. Precision made simple. Unleash your potential with Cloudtheapp's extreme configurability. Tailor workflows and forms to fit your unique requirements. No coding required. Empower your decision-making with built-in analytics. Unlock hidden insights, driving data-driven continuous improvement. Deploying Cloudtheapp's Advanced Inspections module brings tangible benefits. Identify cost-saving opportunities, optimize resources, and enhance product quality. Cloudtheapp eQMS, your unified ecosystem for quality management and compliance. Ready to elevate your quality control journey? Experience precision, efficiency, and compliance today with Cloudtheapp's Advanced Inspections module. Start your quality journey with Cloudtheapp.